Hi everyone, welcome to NEET Biology channel. Tropical regions show greatest level of species richness because A. Tropical latitudes have remained relatively undisturbed for millions of years. B. Tropical environments are more seasonal. C. More solar energy is available in tropics. D. Constant environments promote niche specialization. E. Tropical environments are constant and predictable. A, B, and C only. B, C, and E only. C, and D only. D, C, D, and E only. Correct answer is D, A, C, D, and E only. Explanation: species richness in tropics is due to stable climate over evolutionary time. A. High solar energy input. C. Niche specialization due to constant environments. D, E. B is incorrect. Tropical environments are less seasonal, not more. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1, list 2. A. Marginal placentation 1. Primrose. B. Axial placentation 2. B. C. Parietal placentation 3. Mustard. D. Free central placentation 4. Dianthus. A 2. B 3. C I. D 4. B A I. B 4. C 3. D 2. C A 4. B I. C 2. D 3. D A 3. B 2. C 4. D I. Correct answer is D, A3, B2, C4, DI. Explanation: A. Marginal 1 ovary chamber, ovules on one side, B2. B. Axial ovules on central axis, mustard 3. C. Parietal ovules on inner wall of primrose 1. D. Free central ovules on central column, dianthus 4. Spindle fibers attached to kinetochores of chromosomes during A. Metaphase. B. Anaphase. C. Telophase. D. Prophase. Correct answer A. Metaphase. Explanation: during metaphase, chromosomes align at the equatorial plate and spindle fibers attach to kinetochores on centromeres. In anaphase, sister chromatids are pulled apart. Prophase is for spindle formation, not attachment. Given below are two statements. Statement I: chromosomes become gradually visible under light microscope during leptotene stage. Statement 2: the beginning of diplotene stage is recognized by dissolution of synaptonemal complex. A. Both statement I and statement 2 are false. B. Statement I is true but statement 2 is false. C. Statement I is false but statement 2 is true. D. Both statement I and statement 2 are true. Correct answer is D. Both statement I and statement 2 are true. Explanation: in leptotene, first substage of prophase I, chromosomes condense and become visible. In diplotene, synaptonemal complex dissolves and homologous chromosomes begin to separate, remaining connected at chiasmata. Both statements are correct. Given below are two statements. Statement 1: parenchyma is living but collenchyma is dead tissue. Statement 2: gymnosperms lack xylem vessels, but presence of xylem vessels is the characteristic of angiosperms. A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. B. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. C. Statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. D. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Correct answer is C. Statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. Explanation. Statement 1 is false. Both parenchyma and collenchyma are living tissues. Collenchyma provides mechanical support in growing regions. Statement 2 is true. Xylem vessels are absent in gymnosperms, except nettles, and are typical of angiosperms. These are regarded as major causes of biodiversity loss. A. Overexploitation. B. Coextinction. C. Mutation. D. Habitat loss and fragmentation. E. Migration. A, B, C and D only. B, A, B and E only. C, A, B and D only. D, A, C and D only. Correct answer is C, A, B and D only. Explanation. Major causes of biodiversity loss include overexploitation, A. Coextinction, B. Habitat loss and fragmentation, D. Mutation, C. is a natural process, not typically a loss factor. Migration, E. can cause genetic variation, not biodiversity loss. The lactose present in the growth medium of bacteria is transported to the cell by the action of A. Acetylase, B. Permease, C. Polymerase, D. Beta-galactosidase. Correct answer is B. Permease. Explanation. In the lac operon, permease, lacey, is the enzyme that facilitates lactose transport into the cell. Beta-galactosidase, laxid, hydrolyzes lactose. Acetylase, lac-A, detoxifies. Polymerase is not part of lactose transport. Bulliform cells are responsible for A. Protecting the plant from salt stress. B. Increased photosynthesis in monocots. C. Providing large spaces for storage of sugars. D. Inward curling of leaves in monocots. Correct answer is D. Inward curling of leaves in monocots. Explanation. Bulliform cells are large, thin-walled cells on monocot leaves. In water stress, they lose turgidity, causing inward leaf rolling to reduce transpiration. They don't directly affect salt stress or sugar storage. The cofactor of the enzyme carboxypeptidase is A. Niacin, B. Flavin, C. Heme, D. Zinc. Correct answer is D. Zinc. Explanation. Carboxypeptidase is a metalloenzyme that requires zinc as a cofactor. Zinc activates water for peptide bond hydrolysis. Niacin and flavin are coenzymes, not metal cofactors. Heme is associated with oxidases, not carboxypeptidase. Read the following statements and choose the set of correct statements. In the members of Phaeophyceae, A. Asexual reproduction occurs usually by biflagellate zoospores. B. Sexual reproduction is by oogamous method only. C. Stored food is in the form of carbohydrates, which is either mannitol or laminorin. D. The major pigments found are chlorophyll A, C and carotenoids and xanthophyll. E. Vegetative cells have a cellulosic wall, usually covered on the outside by gelatinous coating of algin. A, B, C, D and E only. B, A, C, D and E only. C, A, B, C and E only. D, A, B, C and D only. Correct answer is B, A, C, D and E only. Explanation. A. True, biflagellate zoospores are common in brown algae. B. False, sexual reproduction in Phaeophyceae can be isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous. C, D, E, all true. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1, list 2. A. DNA 1 has an anticodon. B. mRNA 2. Genetic material in most organisms. C. tRNA 3 carries genetic code. D. rRNA 4 site of protein synthesis. A. A3, BI, C4, D2. B. AI, B3, C2, D4. C. A3, B4, C2, DI. D. A2, B3, CI, D4. Correct answer is D, A2, B3, CI, D4. Explanation. A. DNA genetic material O2. B. mRNAs carries codons 3. C. tRNA has anticodon 1. D. rRNA forms ribosomes 4. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. In sea plants, some O binds to rubisco, hence cofixation is decreased. Statement 2. In sea plants, mesophyll cells show very little photorespiration, while bundle sheath cells do not show photorespiration. A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. B. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. C. Statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. D. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Answer. D. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Explanation. In sea plants, rubisco can bind to oxygen leading to photorespiration. Sea plants have a spatial separation of fixation. Mesophyll cells fix carbon dioxide into sea acids, while bundle sheath cells do not engage in photorespiration.